It's one of the Foundation series. This is like one of the original ones that came out. As you can see, it's labeled right here. This car is actually getting wrapped in a crazy color. It's gonna be this purple right here. It's called Plum Explosion. Customized the color on his dash to be exactly what he wanted. He just brought it in. He was like, I want this color. And that's what we're doing. I like the way my boy went ahead and set up the ambient lighting to be purple, just like the wrap that he planned on doing. So that's another cool feature I guess you could do in the Cybertruck. Interior looks pretty nice in here. It's pretty basic. It's my first time working on the Cybertruck. I feel like in the last one working on the Cybertruck, but it is what it is. Sometimes that's just the draw of it all. That's how it works out. I've seen a lot of people wrapping a whole side, and that is the incorrect way to do a Cybertruck. Since everything's blocked out right here, the wrap isn't gonna stick to it. So you wanna make sure it's wrapped all the way over this edge, and that's gonna ensure that nothing peels back. Plus you don't wanna be cutting it right here at that edge because it's gonna show the metal. This metal is pretty sharp. You can cut yourself on this, so you gotta be careful with these trucks. You definitely got enough material whenever you cut it for this piece to do the hood in the front. So that's already 6 feet right there. And that's gonna be my first 2 pieces already cut out. Now, one thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is get these mirrors taken off. All you need to do is take out these 3 bolts, and then you can open this access door back here to disable the electronics. So I'm gonna get back there. Once you have this disconnected, you just tuck it in there, get these 3 bolts taken out, and then you can just slide the mirror up. All right, so once you got all 3 bolts taken out, and you open that access door and disconnect the electronics, you're just gonna come around. You should be able to slide this straight up. Pull that out with it. That's all it takes to get the mirror out. So the customer actually impressed that I don't take this trim off, so I'm gonna be putting blue masking tape along this edge. I'm gonna show y'all how I take that in. All right, so and that's all it takes for disassembly. We got everything prepped, everything disassembled that we're gonna take off. We'll go ahead and throw you guys on the tripod. I'm gonna go ahead and throw you guys on the tripod, and we're gonna get this thing wrapped.
I don't know what a tripod is. You ain't vinyl wrapping.
Alright guys, so the Cybertruck is finished. We went ahead and wrapped it in this Gloss Plum Explosion. As I stated before, he was trying to get this Cybertruck to match a preset color that he made on his dash. It was kind of like a plum explosion right here. And also he had the ambient lighting set up to match the actual Cybertruck. Cybertruck is done and it's ready to go. This is definitely a color that no one's done before, so definitely be interesting to see what people think about it. And as always, if y'all like content like this, then go ahead and give me a like, a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.